Good evening, everyone. Uh, it gives me great pleasure in meeting you again in another video. And in trying to organize all these knowledge that I gained through my research with hormone life, there have been like multiple natural shifts in the way I do my videos. So this is one such video where I wanted to split all the split the section of the videos into multiple sections as I go through my research work, and in hopes of better bringing out the knowledge I'm gaining over the work I'm doing over here. And now I'm currently looking at universe research main topic, from which we are looking at life. We've moved on from the topic in terms of perspective, where it's all about the grand perspectives that are very essential to the research methodology. And now we're looking at life and its existence in the universe, through which we are getting to explore the entirety of the universe's life. Life in the entirety of this universe. And that's a great knowledge to gain. And currently I'm looking at this article named Moon, Universe and Life. The previous topic we learned was Earth, Universe and Life. It's a very simple perspective being put forth even in the heading itself, where we are talking about the planet Earth and the planet Moon, its place in this universe, its unique place in it. And when universe comes in between, we're talking about, in the wording structure, we see we get to explore the universe connection in all of this, and it all converges down into that one major perspective. It's all about life. That's the main topic here, right? And here we're talking about universe, nature, mathematics. And I was just looking at it. Here we are saying like mathematics is utilizing what is available, and the whole thing has a very nice flow to it. And it has been described that this universe, nature, mathematics is very important in understanding how the universe functions. And this is a way of living and way of learning of in this research methodology. And this is one such flow in it, like your personal flow. And by it also explains the nature of mathematics and the universe nature mathematics. If you see, we'll need to like read through the flow of it. Like mathematics is utilizing what is available, perfecting what was utilized, organizing what was perfected, creating by joining the organized, renewing the created, giving a renewed shape to the creative. So here, when we are saying like this could be something like you have your own life, where you have your materials, where you are ought to do something, venture into your contribution in your towards humanity in life, or your major goals in your life ambitions. And you are to utilize what is available around you, right? You can't go beyond because you're starting off, and it's more important to like utilize what's around you. And then while utilizing the knowledge you gained, right, helps in perfecting what you're exactly doing, right? And when you're perfecting, you get to perfect a lot of things. Let's say if I'm trying to like let this video itself be one such case where I'm just using a very minimal setup at this point, and I would like to improve the audio quality, and that is one production point of view, and the other where I would like to improve. And there is another perspective that comes up where how the content I'm trying to share needs to be like even better and perfected, and next comes the delivery, the way I'm delivering it, and the concept that I need to like bring out in every day that I would really love to share, that perspective. All these new things keep popping up, which never was a point in the past where this was planned out. So that's where we get to organize all these things that are perfected, which is the third point. And creating by joining the organized. So once you have these like things, and from that you elevate your next level of creation, right? And you get to the actual creation part, what you really came out to do, and that gets completed. So then that goes through an iteration, right? You need to like improvise that. There isn't like a finalized state of it. And then finally there is this alternate shape that we are giving to the created. So it continues so on, and this whole experience, right? This whole experience going through the entirety of this is a way to connect and understand the nature of the universe in which it functions. And that's a very nice perspective from the article. I've come so far in that I've been translating it. I'll connect on the next section of the same video. Thank you. And yes, there is this beautiful realization point when we get to know that all of this whole experience, right? Going through it just shows that how elaborate these are, like very detailed out, and it does enhance one's personal life. Not just the personal life, but his presence in this world. So all these philosophical points, like what I'm trying to say is like the steps that we're told, right? If a person goes through it, he not only elevates his own life, but he is like elevating the one around him, and that's a great thing to have, right? At the same time, going through this experience to understand that whole aspect of this universe through this methodology, right, just shows that how many iterations have already been done, and isn't it enough that we did this enough time on earth, and it's time to like elevate ourselves as a race into not as a race, but as human beings ourselves to the next planet, that is our moon. And that question being raised in the previous paragraph, where it makes sense now after reading through it, like is it enough that we have lived in practicing on earth? And I mean, like, if we see in the mathematical nature methods of the world creation, nature, fundamental livelihood, is it enough or not practicing to live on the earth for human beings? This question comes to be is what is proposed in the previous paragraph, which makes even more sense after going through this part of the research. Thank you guys, and I'll go through the next part and I'll connect on another snippet. Thank you. And this is another session. Happy to connect with you again. Here we were looking at the known universe life subject, right? So here, like the livelihood changes in the universe structure, right? In the universe format is being pointed at two types of livelihood changes that could come to be. one is a very natural process when that is described as when you live in fulfillment, right? The livelihood changes will come to be in a natural way, and I mean that part of the knowledge and everything would happen in a very natural sequence. But if it's not done, that sequencing doesn't happen naturally. And what is talked about here is about creating a livelihood condition on another planet. That will not come to be in a very smooth transition when not living in the livelihood fulfillment of being in connection with the nature around us and the natural structure that is behind it, and mainly the 5 grand fundamental elements of nature that holds it together. So, I mean, that link is prime to it, which is described very clearly in the article if you read through it. But the perspective that I want to portray and convey here is that it is not required to be taken in any kind of negativity. The points that are said here, it just states the natural existence of what it is and how naturally to go into the next format of a very intelligent way of going into the next sequence. And the other way of livelihood change is by afflicting these 5 core elements of nature and living a life. And it is also said in the article that the current way that we are currently living is very much towards the way where we create afflictions in these natural existence, and it is acknowledged, and it is correlated with the mathematical sense of the article that's said in the beginning, where if we are to live by that nature, it would clearly be seen that we are in no way close to living a fulfilled life in our planet currently. And this nature of universe existence, right, and that is correlated with how a livelihood is usually created on another planet. That here is being described as a point where if we are to create livelihood on another planet, right, we need to live our life in our current planet in a complete sense. Only through that knowledge this transition happens. And it is very well said that the rational thinking, the common sense, the sixth sense would only the potential of it will open up only when this comes to completion. This gives an emphasis on how important it is to live life on our planet in a very complete nature, and how it contributes towards creating a livelihood on another planet. And there is a perspective where it is said that only through the universe life changes, a livelihood on another planet will come to be. And this is a very unique statement in the entire flow of the article, and it's marked in green as well. It conveys something unique, and it is also quoted. It directly comes from our beloved researcher Sri Madhivalagan sir, and here it is very clearly said that this through universe life changes, and it is again brought about in the need to be known section below the article, this perspective again. Then the importance of both natural structure and the livelihood life on it, both elements, and how importance is given to a comfort living is very clearly given over there, and how its existence on earth is the understanding of that is very well expressed in the article, and how it will be kept under consideration when creating a living condition on another planet is very clearly conveyed. And in the need to be known, right, there is a segue that's being said and there it said that like we have lived our life completely on Earth, and it's time that life is our livelihood is to be created on our moon. And for this segue that is to happen, um, a new type of thinking is required. So a new type of thinking, a new type of research, um, a new type of execution is required, and we know of this is what is expressed in the article. So the reason for this expression, right, goes very well with the aspect which I was trying to convey, is that uh, it is very easy to take this perspective in a notion that we're saying that we're not living life in a rightful way on the earth, and it almost like segues from there, and we are like trying to create a living condition on another planet. And so this whole transition, it's very much clear for me why it is that there is a new thinking way and execution way required for this. Um, but the correlation that it could have with reality, right? That perspective is what I'm trying to get at. See, if our life on this earth, right, if people, you see the way the scientific advancements have come, what is considered as important to one segment of people who are intellectually moving humanity towards a better place, and their importance and their mind space that is required is moving to a different requirement space, which is freeing up space for the people who are like trying to move towards their intellectual space. So let's say a scientist and his mind space and his livelihood is on an elevated platform where it requires all the technological advancements and livelihood advancements over there. Similarly, people who are like moving towards that, only when this person moves towards another elevated life form, that this space frees up for these people to move up towards them and uplifting the entire humanity. And this perspective, right, this perspective very much in my understanding goes into this last perspective of the article, where they're talking about how such a method is required. So this is in a way reassuring. There is another perspective to it as well. It can be seen with like very there is a potential of having a disruptive path as well, but in my humble opinion, it's completely very nuanced elements that are explored. So it's only a blissful element in it, and that's exactly what is expressed in the conclusion of the article as well. And I hope as humans together we go towards our great goal of living on another planet, and I hope this happens together with such intellectually beautiful minds coming together and making our place in this universe much more of a blissful experience. Thank you for joining with me on this video. I hope to connect with you on another video. Thank you guys. Bye.